Hi, how you going? What are we making today, Marley?
So it'll be a Moroccan mint infused mojito with white rum.
Okay, so what you got to do first, I think if you've watched any of the others, you know, we have to cold infuse or cold brew whatever liquor it is that you're using in your cocktail with the tea. And you may think it'll take a long time, but it's actually 45 minutes is all it takes to bring the beautiful flavors of the Dilmah teas into the alcohol. If I just agitate it a little bit, it'll slowly start to change color. What we will end up with is this, and we tasted it earlier. It's like a cup of tea, but with a kick. Now, we're using Dilmah's Moroccan Mint Green Tea. Let's make a mojito. So off you go.
So first, just get 3 or 4 wedges of lime and muddle it into the glass. And then some fresh mint. And to release the flavor in the mint, you got to clap it. So then you just do half a shot of sugar syrup.
Sugar syrup's easy to make at home. Half sugar, half water.
And you can make it as sweet as you want. And then a double shot of the green tea, the mint tea infused white rum.
It smells, I can smell the mint already. I mean, sure, you've got fresh mint there, but it's come through so well. And look how quickly that's changing, that's minutes gone by.
Then you top the glass up with ice.
We've made a few cocktails here. It takes a bit of time for the ice to come out.
And then you just top it up with soda water. Give it a little stir and just garnish with a fresh mint sprig.
Fantastic, Marnie. That's great. Well, cheers everyone. This is what you should be having on your balcony, in your garden, wherever you are. Playing a little bit with your liquors to give you something a little bit special. Thanks so much for making this, Marley. It's fantastic. Thanks. Well done.